the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. So this video is specially for the candidates who are pursuing the PG, that is post graduation, and the PhD. So it is really a very good news from the Department of Science and Technology, and this program name is Accelerate Vigyan. So what are the features of this program? Why? Because this program is recently launched by the University Grants Commission, and I got this notice from the UGC website. You can check the link here. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video to know the more details about this program, Accelerate Vigyan program. So I will just give you one small brief regarding this program. If you want to get the more details, go to the description box of this video. You will find out this link. Click on that one and please go through this notification in detail. Why? Because it is very much helpful for your research programs. Either you might be in the post graduation or you might be in the PhD for any type of departments. And coming to the details here, so Accelerate Vigyan aims to widen the net and reach masses by providing research career support to students. And here Accelerate Vigyan is a main program. So under this program, the two subparts are there. One is a skill development and second one is a bring together. Under the skill development program, the high-end workshops and the research internships will be provided to both the post-graduation students and the PhD pursuing students. And after this one, bring together means under the chronicle and the seminars and symposia will also be conducted to discuss about your research problems or the research programs or else your research progress. All these things you can discuss. And for these programs, the special names are there under this Accelerate Vigyan. Skill development program is called as a Abhyas, and the bring together is called as a Sammohan. And under this Abhyas, that is skill development program, the two parts are there. One is the high-end workshops, nothing but a Karyashala. Second one is the research internships, nothing but a Ritika. So under this high-end workshops, see, the Karyashala is aimed to provide hands-on experience to the students, primarily from universities, colleges, private academic institutions and newly established institutions in handling or troubleshooting of high-end scientific instruments and such skill development on theme required for quality and cutting-edge research work. And you are going to get these high-end workshops or the internships from which colleges? From IITs, IISc, IACR, NITs and other organizations or laboratories of eminence like CSIR, ICAR, ICMR, etc. So it is a very good, wonderful scheme or the program initiated by this Department of Science and Technology. It will be very much helpful to you. And the program is meant to support motivated PG and PhD students who are having a strong willing to get excellence in their scientific and the engineering research pursuit and do not have such high-end facilities in their own institution in the country, right? So the PG or PhD students who are struggling a lot with respect to the tools, software tools, or with respect to the laboratories in their own institutions, then you can apply to these programs to get the clear-cut solution with high-end experts, right? So these are all the things, and the daily necessary expenses such as TS, stationery, consumable, accommodation, food, etc. for the participating students will be borne by host institute through SERB funding support. A typical duration of each high-end workshop will be 1 to 2 weeks. So just whatever the research problems you are having and at which point you stuck in your research progress, so just be have a notes on that one. And in this, I mean, at the time of participation of this workshop for 1 to 2 weeks, you just clear all your doubts with the experts or the professors who are locating in the IITs or IISs. And coming to the Vritika, here the internship programs will be available. The scheme is meant to support the regular PG students who are having strong orientation and the potential towards scientific and engineering research and pursuing their degree from university or institution within India, but do not have the requisite infrastructure or the expertise in their own institutions. So for them, the internship will be given for meeting daily necessary expenses such as TS, stationery and all these things. The support amount will be about 30,000 per intern for duration of 1 to 2 months you are going to get, right? So it is a very good opportunity. So try to apply. So how to apply here, the things are given here. First just go to this PDF for clearly, and just like that, Sammohan means bring together. So Chronicles, Sayojanika, and next one is a seminar and symposia, that is Sangosthiti. Go through all these details. Just anyhow, I told you what exactly this program is focuses on, right? So utilize this opportunity who are really struggling a lot in your own institute for not having the proper infrastructure. Right, so before ending this video, one small announcement regarding the UGC NET 2020 aspirants. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video.